Today we are going to be making blackberry mint tea. So blackberries are pretty easy to identify, so I'm not going to go through all that. You can probably, if you don't know how, you can probably just find it online. So mint, these are all fresh picked by the way. So mint leaves, you can tell, wild mint leaves, you can tell by the veins on both sides, and the purple flower and the extremely scented smell. So that's how you identify the mint. So we're just gonna put all of this.
Always ask an adult before you eat.
Oh yes, definitely always ask an adult before you eat anything, because there is a lot of lookalikes out there that could possibly kill you. So I should have put these on a paper towel.
No, we don't want that much blackberries. It's way too much.
It's fine.
Harper, it's gonna be way too blackberry. It's not gonna. There's not enough strong. Guys. Oh, just do it.
They're good. Taste test is good.
All right.
Okay.
Pour water about halfway up the pan. If your pan is this size.
As much water as you pour is the amount that you're gonna have for your tea. Cold water boils faster.
Yes, always use cold water. Also, you should have adult supervision. Very much so.
Just in case anything goes wrong. Okay, now we're gonna set this on a stove, and we're gonna turn it on the burner on high, and we are going to wait for it to bubble. That should take around 2 to 3 minutes. And always be careful because the burner is hot.
I will catch you when it's bubbling.
So yeah. So I did see a bubble.
Yeah, welcome back.
So after the first bubble, you will tend to see only smoke and then hear a bunch of sizzling. But it will start bubbling a lot more. Like if you feel it, you can feel it vibrating, which is really cool. So, yep, you can see bubbles starting. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the timer for 5 minutes, and we're gonna let that cook for 5 minutes.
And we'll see you then. Right? Anything you want to add?
Nope.
See ya. The steam was getting too high. You can't really see it.
Yeah, you can't really see the steam. That's I touched.
You can't fake
But
me.
oh, we have 1 minute.
We had to turn the
Anyways.
fan on.
So you should probably have a fan on so your smoke detector doesn't
If
go
you do
off.
have a fan.
Well, if you don't have one.
See, look at the steam.
If you don't, it's
Steam.
okay. But if your smoke detector is really close, then just be aware it might go off.
Yeah, so we have 38 seconds. We'll catch it. Should we keep it on or should we catch it?
It's fine. Let's just keep it. So we're gonna prepare. So we're gonna prepare this pot. This is also gonna go on here.
Yeah, because the type of camera we have is it can't be on heat.
Yeah, this is burn. Okay, anyways, I'm just gonna get the strainer.
Smells scrumptious. Oh, 7, 6,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Are you gonna shut the burner off?
Yes.
Or why?
I'll shut the burner.
I'll just shut it off. So you have to shut the burner off,
And now you
but
put it.
because the burner is still hot, you want to move it
No,
off.
you don't. You just keep it on.
No, you don't.
You keep it off until you get the cap on.
No, you don't put the...
Yes, we do.
No.
Yeah.
And-
okay, put it back on. It's fine. If it heats it.
It's
off. Just put it.
It's still hot, right?
Doesn't really matter.
Oh, it's hot. Okay, and now we're gonna set it for another 5 minutes.
And we'll catch it. Wait. We'll catch it at
Guys, it's 20
18.
seconds.
17,
Oh.
16, 15, 14, 13,
12,
11,
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now you're just gonna. I'm just gonna shut that off. Okay, so now we are going to. Also,
Sorry.
be careful of the steam, and be careful of the condensation when you lift the lid, because it will drip and it's very hot.
Just take it off
So-
and put it on the paper towel.
It's kind of heavy.
It's only halfway. It's the same thing.
It's not super heavy. Okay, it's gonna be really hot, and be careful of the steam hole, because that's letting steam. 3, 2, 1, and the condensation is dripping.
Look at this thing. Smoke detector. What are we gonna do?
That's fine. It's far enough away.
Isn't it why we took the smoke detector out of the kitchen?
Yes, it is one. I believe that's where the smoke detector used to be.
There's also one here.
No, that's a different thing. Show them. You can show them. That's where the smoke detector used to be,
Yeah, we took it out of the kitchen.
because there was too much beeping. Okay, so you can see that the tea is red, which is
They can't see that.
always a good sign.
Now they can.
So now, Tucker, if you will, grab me this. Actually, I can. Okay, I just grabbed my strainer.
That's too big of a strainer.
Well, that's the only strainer. we got.
No. Give us a sec.
Don't. You can just watch the tea. I guess. I don't know.
I put it in.
So it's not boring. So that's too big of a strainer, apparently. Well, I guess it is really big. But that's the only
find
strainer I could find. So I think I know where I put it. Where did you put it?
We washed it and then we put it in the dishwasher.
I've always stopped screen.
What screen?
Yeah, she ran it.
Let's wash it next
Mom
time
just ran it.
and not put it in the dishwasher.
Yeah, but strainers are so hard to okay, so you're gonna be. Oh, actually, nothing's gonna happen. So now we're gonna just go ahead and pour the tea into the strainer. Okay, some berries and some mint and
So we
stuff.
call this 10-minute tea.
There we go. And if you lift the strainer out, it has all the excess.
All that stuff. Alright, I'll get us the mugs.
And actually, before we do, I'm going to take a spatula and compress
You get this one.
and compress
Don't show them
that.
don't show them the erupting this time.
Erupting takes so long. But
It's pour right. Okay, pour. It has a spout.
okay, so this pan has a spout if you can't. Whoo! Okay, this pan has a spout if you can't see it. It just looks like a bend in the middle. Okay, that's good. Spilled
Yeah,
it
I'll
over
show
there.
them the spout. Do you see it? I'll zoom in. Alright, here's my tea.
Your mug, not your tea.
Oh, it's already erupting.
Oh, the volcano. Okay. That's okay. They can watch it erupt while we pour the tea.
Yeah, watch that volcano erupt.
And you can watch
I bought this in Iceland.
And that's just enough tea for both of us.
Yep, that's what it makes.
That should be turning into a picture there. But, okay, we don't have to show them that. Okay.
Time to drink it.
Yeah. Ready? Grab your mug.
Ice cube.
Yes. So just always be careful because why are you holding your hand out? It's weird.
So I'll give it
So you can really see the color in that, and then it erupted. So just be careful not to burn your mouth. So that's why we're putting ice cubes in it. Also be careful
Satisfying.
of the droplets that fly everywhere. Okay, so now we're going to do the testing.
These are the pictures. The picture. It wraps all the way around.
Tucker Smug needs one more ice cube, he says.
You can't see the steam, but it's blocked. All right, time to test over there, and we'll get on with it.
Okay, now we are going to be testing the tea.
Hot.
Just be careful not to burn your. You can also use honey spoons, but we're not going to do that. Okay, we're testing it first.
Yeesh. So, like, if you buy honey, don't pay attention to that. If you buy honey spoons, these things,
At least that wasn't.
use about
Big
half of it. It is breakable straw. Now, let's get on with the taste. Yeah, so let's go. And then save the other half.
Ooh, I like it. It's like a 4 out of 5.
4.5.
4.5.
It has a mint texture, a blackberry texture, and
What are you doing? This has plastic on it.
what? I poured some in between the videos. Well, give me a second. I'm pouring honey into it. All right. I'm gonna test what it tastes like with honey. You didn't get it.
No, I'm still drinking it though. That was very hot, but
It was
it's good.
great. It tasted. There was a little bit of honey texture to it, like a little bit of a honey taste. A blackberry. It brings out the blackberry a little more. So I feel like I like it. Definitely try it with honey. See you next time.
Bye, Twin Crew.